A for apple. Apple is a sweet and juicy fruit. It can be red or green in color and is very healthy for us. B for ball. Ball is round in shape. We love to play and have fun with a colorful ball.
C for cat. Cat is a cute and small animal. It says meow and loves to drink milk.
D for dog. Dog is a loyal and friendly animal. It barks and protects our home.
E for elephant. A very big and strong animal with a long trunk and big ears. F for frog. I am green and I love water. Watch me jump.
G for grapes. Grapes are small, round, and juicy fruits. They can be green or purple in color.
H for hen. A hen is a farm animal. It gives us eggs, which are very healthy.
I for inkpot. Inkpot is used to hold ink. We use ink for writing.
J for jug. Jug is used to hold water or juice. It helps us pour drinks easily.
K for kite. Kite flies high in the sky. We love to fly kites on windy days.
L for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. It is very strong and brave.
M for monkey. Monkey is a naughty animal. It loves to eat bananas and jump on trees.
N for nest. Nest is a home for birds. Birds lay eggs and live in nests. O for owl. Owl is a wise bird. It can see clearly at night. P. P is for parrot. Parrot is a green bird. It can talk.
Q for queen. I am the queen, a royal lady. I wear this beautiful crown.
R for rabbit. Rabbit is a small and cute animal. It loves to eat carrots and hop around.
S for sun. Sun gives us light and heat. It shines bright in the sky.
T for tree. Tree is very important for us. It gives us oxygen, fruits, and shade.
U for umbrella. Umbrella protects us from rain and sunlight.
V for van. Van is a vehicle. It is used for traveling and carrying people.
W for watch. Due to K2, watch helps us know the time. We wear it on our wrist.
X for xylophone.
Yo.
Xylophone is a musical instrument.
You.
It makes beautiful sounds.
Y for yak. Yak is a strong animal. It lives in cold and snowy places. Z for zebra. Zebra is a wild animal. It has black and white stripes on its body.